Friends, today I'm making colorful winter crafts with things we can recycle. Let's craft slowly, together. First, let's make a snowy shaker. I have a clean plastic bottle. I add a little dry rice. I add paper confetti, tiny paper snowflakes from old mail. Close the lid tight. Shake, 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 like falling snow. So snowy and calm. Next, let's make cozy mittens. I draw 2 mitten shapes on cardboard. An adult helps cut them. I tear colorful pieces from old magazines. Glue, stick, pat, red, blue, yellow, so many colors. I add soft cotton at the cuffs for fluff. Tap, tap, mitten photos, winter trees, now, a happy penguin. I take an empty toilet paper roll. I wrap it with black paper. A white oval tummy goes on. I glue a tiny orange triangle beak. 2 little eyes. Hello, penguin. Waddle, waddle. Penguin videos. Let's make sparkly snowflake art. On scrap cardboard, I draw a big snowflake. I spread glue on the lines. I sprinkle torn white paper. I sprinkle clean glitter. I sprinkle salt. Shake off the extra. Wow, twinkle. More snowy pictures. Time to count and name colors. How many blue pieces? How many white snowflakes? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Now we tidy up. Caps on glue, paper bits in the recycle bin, hands washed, nice and clean, pictures and short clips from Pexels.com, royalty-free, no copyright music, soft and quiet. See you next time for more colorful fun. Bye-bye.